यस चिल्ड्रन, नमस्कार बच्चों, कैसे हैं?
ठीक है।
बढ़िया सब।
ठीक हो?
पेरेंट्स का कहना मानना है, घर से बाहर उनकी आज्ञा से नहीं जाना है, उनके साथ जाना है, मास्क लगाना है, हैंड सैनिटाइज करते रहना है, ठीक है? चलिए, आज मुझे ये बताओ, कोई भी अगर टू साइड्स हैं, टू साइड से अगर हम कुछ शेप चेंज कर दें तो क्यों शेप चेंज हो जाती है? शेप चेंज क्यों होती है? अगर हम शेप इसकी चेंज कर देते हैं, साइड्स तो टू है, क्या चीज चेंज होती है? शेप चेंज होने में क्या चीज चेंज होती है? जैसे ये टू साइड्स हैं, ठीक है, मेरे हैंड्स की। अब इनको मैं थोड़ी सी शेप चेंज मैंने कर दी, क्या चेंज हुआ? व्हाट इज दिस? बुक ले लेती हूं मैं, चलो मान लो बुक, ठीक है, दिस इज अ बुक। अब ये इस टू साइड्स से ओपन हुई, अब मैंने थोड़ा सा इसे अंदर की तरफ टिल्ट कर दिया, इसकी है तो टू ही साइड्स, क्या चेंज हुआ इसका? यस,
एक्यूट एंगल।
हाँ, मतलब कि इनका एंगल चेंज हो गया है ना बच्चों, एंगल चेंज हो गया ना। अगर मैंने इसको ओपन कर दिया थोड़ा, इसका एंगल चेंज हो गया, और हमारी साइड्स क्या है? सेम। तो हम आज सबसे पहले एक वीडियो देखेंगे ऑन एंगल्स। टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट लर्निंग एंगल्स, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स आर एंड हाउ कैन बी फाइंड आउट द एंगल्स अराउंड अस। हमारे आसपास सब जगह जब भी दो साइड्स मिलती हैं, जहां पर भी, जहां जिस पॉइंट पे, वहां एक एंगल बनाती हैं। कौन सा एंगल बनाती हैं और हमारे आसपास जो चीजें कहाँ कौन सा एंगल बना रही है, वी विल लर्न दैट। ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सी अ वीडियो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। ओके
क्या मैम?
यस, आवाज आ रही है सबको? इज इट क्लियर?
An angle is a cube. This thing is small, skinny, and kind of cute. It looks like a V or the top of a Y, or the angles that you see eating pizza or pie. Angles are measured in degrees, and here's how to remember them with ease. See, when an angle measures 90, we call it right. You can tell this angle just by sight. It looks like an L or the corner of a square. You're looking at it when you're walking up the stairs. Angles are measured in degrees, and here's how to remember them with ease. From 90 to 180, an angle is obtuse. This angle's kind of bad, it's got a big caboose. Like the hands on the clock when it's 1:45, or the antlers on the head of a full-grown moose. Angles are measured in degrees, and here's how to remember them with ease.
To measure an angle's degrees with a protractor, place the vertex at the hole in the center. Line up one way and zero on the protractor. Remember that the zero can be on top or under. Count up to where the other way points at the number. That will be the angle's measure.
Angles are measured in degrees, and here's how to remember them with ease.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's begin. What is 5 plus 3? We can solve the...
Yes. How was the video?
गुड मैम।
कुछ समझ आया? How many types of angle? How many types of angle? Acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle, है ना? Yes. Now today we are starting this types of angles. हमने last time भी class में किया था. Acute angles are less than what?
राइट एंगल।
90-degree angle is a right angle, है ना? But less than 90-degree angles are called
एक्यूट एंगल।
yes, very good. And more than 90-degree angles are called
ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल।
yes.
मैम ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल।
Yes. Now I am going to share a screen. Are you able to see this screen, children?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
Oh,
no, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
okay, okay, okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Shapes and angles around us. Here are some things which you are able to see. What is this? This is a
Right angle. Right
this is
angle.
a clock. This is a clock, है ना? अब इसमें कौन सा एंगल बन रहा है? Right angle. And what is this? क्या है? What is this?
Fish.
Yes,
Fish.
And in the face of fish, which angle?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Very good.
Acute angle.
Yes. In the scissors, which angle is it making? These two?
Acute angle.
Yes. The student studying on the table, and in this table, which angle is it making?
Right angle.
In the chair, which angle is it?
Right angle.
Yes. तो आपको पता चला जो आपके अराउंड चीजें होती हैं जहां टू साइड्स मिलती हैं उस कॉर्नर पॉइंट पे एक एंगल क्रिएट होता है. अगर थोड़ी सा भी साइड्स में चेंजेस आ जाता है तो वो एंगल चेंज हो जाता है. लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल. सी दिस इज अ डोर, दिस इज अ विंडो. व्हाट इज दिस?
Right angle. Right angle.
ये क्या है? ये क्या चीज है बच्चों? व्हाट इज दिस? डिक्शनरी. डिक्शनरी. इट्स अ बुक. इट्स अ डिक्शनरी. डिक्शनरी में क्या तुम देखते हो? डिक्शनरी में व्हाट इज इन द डिक्शनरी?
Ma'am, word meanings.
वर्ड मीनिंग है ना. यू यूज डिक्शनरी इन योर इंग्लिश है ना. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ व्हाट इज दिस?
Frame. Frame.
In all these things, which angle do you see? Which angle do you see?
Ma'am,
Right. Yes.
Right angle.
Yes, right angle. What is this?
Ma'am, watermelon.
Yes, watermelon. Yes, watermelon. Do you like watermelons?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What color is it? किस कलर का होता है watermelon?
Ma'am,
From inside
red.
and from outside.
Red.
From outside,
Green.
Ma'am, green.
green, है ना? When we take the slice of this watermelon, which angle is it making? Which angle is it making?
Acute angle.
Yes, very good, very good. Acute angle. Yes, children. Less than right angle, that means acute angle. The girl is sitting straight. Which angle the girl is making? Which angle is it?
Ma'am, right angle.
Right angle. Degree.
90 degree
Ma'am,
angle.
right angle.
90 degree angle is called a right angle. Yes. What is this?
Ma'am, crocodile.
Where do you see crocodiles? Where do you see crocodiles?
Ma'am, zoo.
Zoo.
Ma'am,
और
in the
कहाँ
lake.
रहते
Ma'am,
हैं? Pictures. कहाँ रहते हैं ये?
Ma'am, in the water.
In the water. Yes. Now tell me, the open mouth of this crocodile, which angle is it making?
Acute angle.
Or less
Ma'am,
than
acute
right
angle.
angle. That means less than 90-degree angle. It is making less than 90-degree angle. Very good, children. Very good response. What is this?
Ma'am, hockey.
Hockey. Do you like to play hockey stick? Hockey? Do you like to play? Who likes to play hockey? Who likes to play hockey? Okay. Do you like to play? Students, do you like to play?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. It's a game which many students like. Tell me, this hockey stick is making which kind of angle? Which kind of angle? Obtuse angle. More than 90 degrees. More than right angle. Yes.
Right angle.
What is this?
Ma'am, safety pin.
Safety pin. Now tell me which angle this safety pin is making?
Acute angle. I'm less than right angle.
Okay,
Less
okay,
than right angle.
okay. What is this? Tell me what is this?
Ma'am, laptop.
Laptop.
Laptop. Ma'am, laptop.
Here, which angle this laptop is making? Which angle is it making? Obtuse angle. That means more than 90-degree angle. More than 90-degree or less than 90-degree? Yes, children.
More than.
More than right. Very good. More than right angle is obtuse angle. More than 90-degree angle is called obtuse angle. Yes, very good, children. See, this is a ladder. And it's making acute angle over here. And what is this?
Ma'am,
Pizza. Pizza.
Ma'am,
Do you like pizza?
Pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Now tell me all these things, which angle these things are making? Yes, this road is also making over here acute angle. But which angle this road is making over here? Which angle is it? Acute angle.
angle.
Yes, here it is making an acute angle. And but if we find out, if we measure from here, this will make a obtuse angle. Okay, children? Here, which are showing by arrow and which angle we are showing, all these are acute angles. Okay? Angle and time. Listen, children, when you see the clock, in the clock, when the hands join, they also make an angle. Let's see. What time is it? What time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Which angle the hands of the clock
Acute angle.
making?
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
90. Yes. In this, which angle?
Ma'am, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Yes. Which angle is it?
Right angle.
Yes.
Right angle.
Yes.
Right angle.
In this clock, what time
Ma'am,
is
6 o'clock.
Yes. 6 o'clock.
Ma'am, 6 o'clock.
Now, what angle is it making at 6 o'clock?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. That means exact 180-degree angle. Which angle is making the hands of the clock at 5 o'clock?
Ma'am,
Which angle?
Ma'am, obtuse.
Yes. Yes. Obtuse angle. Yes. What is the time this clock showing?
Ma'am, 2 o'clock.
12. No. 12. 10. Yes. 12:10. And which angle is it? 12:10. Which angle is it making? Acute angle. Yes.
Ma'am, acute
Yes, very good. Yes. What time this clock is showing?
Ma'am, 3 o'clock. Ma'am, 3 o'clock.
Now tell me what angle this 3 o'clock is making.
angle.
Right, 90-degree angle. Yes, very good, children. What time is it? Time बताइए.
3:35.
No. No.
Ma'am, 2:35.
235. 235. Which angle is it making? Which angle is it making?
Ma'am, obtuse.
Obtuse angle. Yes. Obtuse angle. Listen, children, if you write your name with straight lines, then your name is also making an angle. Let's see. What is written over here? What is written over here?
Ma'am,
See, read it. Sukhman. This is the name of a child. In this name, there are so many angles. Count these angles. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count it.
1, 8, 12, 13, 14, 17.
Yes, there are so many angles in this name. Acha, tell me which angle is making S? Which angle is making S? Over here?
Right angle.
Yes, right angle. And in U, which angle is going to be make? Over here? Yes, right. Yes, right angle. Yes. Over here in M, which angle is going to be made? Yes, acute angle. Acute angle. Yes. That why this like this, you will also write your name in your notebook and find out the angles and count those angles also. Okay, children? Now this is your homework. You will draw any 2 things which you see in your daily life. Each of the following angles. Acute angles. आप 2 पिक्चर्स बनाएंगे. कोई भी अपने घर में देखेंगे कोई भी चीजों की जो हमने अभी सर्वे भी करा कि कौन कौन सी पिक्चर्स में एक्यूट एंगल्स हैं, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल हैं, एंड विच आर शोइंग राइट एंगल्स. यू ड्रॉ एनी 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स, एनी 2 थिंग्स and show acute angles in that, and draw any 2 things showing obtuse angle, and draw any 2 things which are showing right angle. After that, you will write your name using straight lines. You will write your name using straight lines and count the angles. और angles को count करेंगे. ठीक है बच्चों? Next is what's my angle? You all will draw these clocks and you will tell the time of these clocks, and you will also tell which angle this time is making. Okay, which angle is this time making? Which angle is it? Obtuse angle. Which angle is over here? Which angle is making in this clock? Yes. Which angle is it? Which angle is it? At 9 o'clock? Right angle. And which angle is over here?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Which angle is over here?
Straight angle.
Yes. Yes, straight angle. Yes. Now I'm. Yes. Yes, I have stopped the screen. Did you understood everything? Did you understood everything? आपको समझ आया सब बच्चों को?
Yes,
तो आप अपना होमवर्क will draw any 2 pictures, acute angles, obtuse angles, and right angles. And you all will draw your name with straight lines, and you will show your angles, showing your name, and you will count the angles. And third work is you will draw your clock and
मम्मा आप इसको